Hello, we have a reservation. The name is Anna Smith.
Welcome to Hawaii. Let me check. Yes, I found it. One family room for 4 people, right?
Yes, that's correct. For 3 nights.
Perfect. Can I see your ID and credit card, please?
Here you are.
Mom, this place is so pretty. Can we go to the beach now?
Soon, sweetie. Let's check in first.
All done. You're in room 305 on the 3rd floor. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 inches the morning. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much.
Let's go see our room.
Wow! I can see the ocean from here.
Dad, can we go swimming now? I brought my swimming shorts.
Good idea. Let's change and go to the beach.
Don't forget sunscreen, everyone. The sun is very strong here.
I'm ready, Mom.
Look, they have swim rings over there.
Let's go rent some. It'll be safer for swimming.
Aloha. Welcome. Do you need swim rings?
Yes, please. We need 2. 1 for each child.
Sure. We have different sizes. How old are your kids?
He's 8 and she's 5.
Perfect. These will fit them well. It's $10 per ring for the whole day.
That sounds good. Here's $20.
I love this one. It has flowers on it.
Have fun. The water is nice and warm today.
This is so cool. I can see small fish.
Dad, help me go deeper.
Not too deep, okay? Stay where I can touch the ground.
You all look so happy. Smile for the camera.
Mom, come in. The water feels great.
Okay, I'm coming.
Look, everyone, the sun is going down.
It's so beautiful. The sky is orange and pink.
I want to remember this.
This is called a sunset. Isn't it amazing?
Yes, I love it.
I'm getting thirsty. Can we get something to drink?
Good idea. Let's get some coconut water over there.
Hello. Would you like fresh coconut water?
Yes, please. How much for 4?
$5 each. Very fresh. I picked them this morning.
We'll take 4, please.
Here you go. Enjoy.
This is so yummy and cold.
It tastes sweet. I like it.
Thank you. It's delicious.
You're welcome. Enjoy your evening.
Good evening. Welcome to Ocean Breeze Restaurant. Here are your menus.
Thank you. Everything looks so good.
Let's try the grilled fish. It's a local specialty.
Can we get shrimp too? I love shrimp.
What's lobster?
It's a big sea animal with claws. It's very tasty. Want to try it?
Yes.
Great choices. One grilled fish, garlic shrimp, and half a lobster. Anything else?
That's perfect. And 4 glasses of water, please.
Wonderful. Your food will be ready soon.
This shrimp is amazing. So fresh.
The lobster is a little hard to eat, but it's yummy.
Here, let me help you. Like this.
This fish is cooked perfectly. What a great meal.
I'm so full. This was the best dinner ever.
I'm full too, and a little sleepy.
It's getting late. Let's head back to the hotel.
Okay, kids. Bath time. Bobby, you go first.
Okay, Mom.
Can I take a bath with bubbles?
Sure, sweetie. After Bobby finishes.
Honey, we only have 2 towels here. We need more.
You're right. Let me call the front desk. Hello? This is room 305. We need 2 more towels, please.
Of course. I'll bring them to your room right away.
Thank you. Kelly, your bath is ready.
Yay! Bubble time!
Room service.
Hi, thank you for bringing these.
Here are 2 extra towels. Do you need anything else?
No, this is perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Today was so fun. I love Hawaii.
Me too! Can we go to the beach again tomorrow?
We'll see. First, get some good sleep.
Good night, everyone. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.
Good night.
Wow. Look at all this food.
They have pancakes, eggs, and fruit. I want to try everything.
Take your time. Let's get our plates and choose what we want.
I want waffles with syrup.
Okay, sweetie. Let me help you. Don't take too much at once.
Can I have orange juice too?
Sure. Here you go.
This is a perfect way to start the day. We can see the ocean from here.
These strawberries are so sweet.
What are we doing today, Dad?
Maybe we can explore the island. There's a beautiful park nearby.
That sounds wonderful. But first, let's enjoy this delicious breakfast. We had such an amazing first day in Hawaii. From checking in at the hotel to swimming at the beach, watching the sunset and enjoying fresh seafood, every moment was special. If you enjoyed our family story today, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us keep making these videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next story.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.
Take care.